Howdy everybody, Cowboy Carter back at it again without a shirt. Thank you all for the support on my recent videos. In today's video, I will be explaining what all is done to my SRT. Since a lot of you guys are asking about it, I'll be explaining everything in detail in today's video. I first off want to say thank you all for the love and support on my videos. I'm gonna be trying to upload weekly for y'all. My channel's doing really well right now. Thank you all for the support. Make sure to keep sharing my videos. New subscribers, welcome. Make sure if you're new, hit the subscribe button. I try to make the best videos to entertain y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoy them. Without further ado, let's get right into it. All right everybody, so right now we're gonna go clean the inside and I will explain everything that's done to the car. It just got done raining, so I'm gonna be like babying it because I have drag radials on, and you know drag radials do not work well with rain. Oh, that little 5-1, huh? Let me rev it for him. Alright, she needs some gas. Let me show y'all the chop. Tell you all what all is exactly done to my SRT8. It's a 2006 Chrysler 300. If you watch my videos, you can tell it is very modded, very fast. All right, the first thing I did was, I know it sounds kind of crazy, I got headers as my first mod. That came with headers and Catless Mid pipes. Yeah, that was my first mod. I didn't go small, I went big. Literally spent like $1,500 on the headers and the Catless Mid pipes right here. Let me show y'all. Here's the headers, and then Catless Mid pipes. I can't really see. My car is kind of low. Actually, when I first bought the car, my car was lowered, so I had to put it back up to stock height. It was too low when I first bought it. No, I actually have a video with the headers, so if you guys want to check that out, I think that was my first mod. The car was really quiet when I bought it. Now it's a lot louder. Y'all, the second thing I did after the headers and the Catless Mid pipes was I cammed it like immediately. I know it sounds kind of funny like the way I modded it. I didn't really have a plan for the build. That's why I just did the big mods first. I got it tuned, cam, and a ported intake all in the same package. So I got that done. Cam only took like 2 weeks. If y'all haven't checked out my cam video, go ahead and check that one out. I think that was the second mod I did. Well, it was a package, so by that time I had like 5 mods already. So I was on cam setup for a really long time, and I was keeping up with a lot of modern cars. You can keep up with Scat Packs, 5.0, Camaros, just on a little 6.1 with minimal mods. My cam didn't have much power because I didn't have like the supporting mod for it, which was the heads. It did pretty good on that setup, especially with the drag radials. That being my next mod, let me show you guys. Got some race stars on Mickey Thompson 305s. Got the big Brimbos. I like the look of them. A lot of people like black out their Chryslers and then get the black. I left the chrome wheels on the front. I like that look. Yeah, this is my next mod right after the cam because it was spinning really bad. Okay, so at this point I had headers and a cam, and then the next thing I did was I got my stock throttle body ported. It was only $100 by my boy Chewy. And yeah, I was on that setup for a really long time. Probably making like 410, 420 to the wheels at that setup. Main part of the video y'all want to see, and the part I completely forgot, is to show y'all the engine bay. So here it is. Last thing I did was I got the heads ported. Can't really see, my camera won't go down there, but I got the heads ported and the cold air intake put on at the same time. This is a Legmaker intake. Goes all the way down to right here. So you can see this is what my engine looks like. It looks stock kind of just with the cold air intake, but it's not. This is the engine bay for y'all. So yeah, that was the last thing I did. I ported the heads and got the cold air intake on. And also I got another retune. That's the setup I'm on right now. I've only been on it for about a month. That's pretty much everything you can do to these cars. I got everything done to my car but E85. I've done everything you can do all motor. guys were getting bored of just watching me just standing there there talking to the camera. Figured I'd get a little POV action for y'all. After the drag radials, I was on that setup for a really long time waiting on my heads to get ported. Yeah, that's everything I've done to the car. I also have a Diablo Trinity tuner right here. These 6.1s handle mods really well. Even with probably just like headers and a tune and on tire, you'd be hurting some feeling when we're talking about like newer cars. First thing when I got it cammed, I had immediately noticed like how hard it shakes. If you guys want to check out that video, go check it out. It's one of my first videos. Like I'm really close to hitting 135k miles. I hardly drive the car. I actually bought it at 129,000 miles and now it only has 134. But I don't daily this car. This is a car I just bring out for fun. So I'm gonna put a complete list of everything I have. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see in the comments. I'm going to be bringing weekly uploads to you guys, and I want to bring content to you all that will keep y'all entertained and y'all will keep watching. I highly recommend getting an SRT8 if you're in the market for one, or if my videos make you want one, like hit me up, I'll answer anything. Yeah, that's everything that's done to my car. Heads cam 6.1 with all the supporting mods. I have everything but E85, stock throttle body, just the all motor car. It's pretty fun always having that power there. But yeah, I absolutely love my SRT8. If y'all have any questions or anything, comment or hit me up on Instagram at FBOSRT8. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what type of videos y'all would want to see, and I'll see y'all on my next video. My next one's gonna be banger, so y'all stay tuned for my next one. It's been Cowboy Carter. I'm out.